Ayan, good day po sa ating lahat. Ito ngayon ang DepEd Order number 22, Series 2025, Policy Guidelines on the Institutionalization of the School Sports Club and Public School. So ito po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Pero bago yan, salamat po nga pala sa mga nagsubscribe sa aking YouTube channel at sa aking FB page na patuloy na nagpa-follow. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ngayon ang tungkol sa sports club at dati na po may existing na po yung sports club sa bawat school kasi hindi ka naman makakapag-participate sa mga sports event kung wala kang sports club. Ngayon, gusto lang naman po nilang i-institutionalize at bigyang diin or bigyan ng mas suporta ang pagdating po sa sports. Ano po, para magkaroon tayo ng long term goal and success para po sa mga bata na rin. Ano po? So ito yung policy guidelines. Ang sakop po nito is shall be the department standing policy guidelines on the institutionalization of the sports club for learners in all elementary and secondary school, including community learning center, inclusive learning resource center, nationwide, private educational institution offering basic education, and Philippines for schools overseas are encouraged to adopt this policy. Moreover, this DO shall provide framework and procedure on the establishment, operation, management, merits, and financing, and monitoring of CSSC. So ito po yung definition of term. Dito po meron ng dalawa, may coordinator na may facilitator pa. So sabi dito ang coordinator are designated by the school head to assist and oversee the implementation of the school sports club. At ang facilitator naman to implement the activities. Ano po? So merong member and mga definition of term natin. Meron na silang conceptual framework ng sports, kung paano ba mapapalago ang ating sports dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi sa tingin ko rin naman marami talaga tayong kakulangan sa dating sa sports. Ano po? So inclusive, developmentally appropriate practice, lifelong success. Ito enhance between the center and the program principles are the objective of school sports club. Letter A, enhancing physical literacy, optimizing health, forming character, and creating sports pathways. Ano po? So, meron dito yung mga organizational structure. Ayan, meron silang organizational structure, merong mga sports participation matrix. Ano po? Play, developing, competitive, and proficient. So makikita natin dito yung bagong sistema ng sa sports. So meron din po ditong key stage 1, grade kinder to grade 3, fundamental stage, grade 4 to 6, learn to train stage, capacity building. So ang grade 11 is proficiency stage na siya. Ano po? So ito na po yung school sports logo na gagamitin. Ayan po, mas makikita natin dito. Registration process. So yun yung una, meron tayong sinasabitan na may mga form. Ito naman po ay ang bagong registration process. Sports club are organized upon registration with the school division office. The registration process to establish an SSC is as follows. So, yung coordinator, together with the Learning Government Council, shall conduct a survey with the learners on what sports they prepare to be offered. Now, sa pagkakaalam ko dati, yung mga sports club, ay hindi ka pwedeng mag-offer kung wala ka namang facility. Wala ng basketball, kung wala naman kayong pwedeng paglaruan, hindi mo pwedeng gawing club yun. Kasi saan naman kayo magti-train. So, yung equipment dito yung binagbabasihan dati. The school head shall conduct consultative meeting with the school governance council, SSC coordinator, facilitator, and other stakeholders to discuss The survey result, evaluation, schedule on SSC activities, selections of sports offering, and other SSC-related matters. Schools have only one sports club with arnis as a mandatory sport. Yan, meron talagang mandatory sport dito. Grabe yung arnis. Ang arnis kasi, pwede siya pero dapat may gear. Ano po? And may offer additional sports based on the following: athletics. Paano ang problema nito kung wala ka naman tatakbuhan? Yung mga straws, pwede mong gawin, pero yung pagtakbo, or swimming as basic sports, sports played in palarong pambansa, Philippine Games, learners preferred sports as per survey result, sports under existing sports association. So, kung meron na kayo dati, pwede rin naman. Number of sports to be offered shall consider the availability of qualified SSC facilitator, adequacy of sports equipment. So, ang kagandang lang dito, include na po yung non-teaching. Hindi lamang yung teaching ang pwedeng mag-organize or maging facilitator ng sports club. Kasama na po ang teaching, non-teaching. So, membership, voluntary, and open to all types of enrolled learners, elementary and secondary levels, regardless of sports-related knowledge, experience, age, gender. So, yan. Membership admission shall occur every first quarter of the academic year. Learners shall be allowed to end their membership at any time provided they submit letter signed by their parents, legal guardian, signifying their intent to end their membership. Any fundraising activity and collection of fees for club membership participation, sports equipment and uniforms are highly discouraged in accordance with the DepEd Order number 19, Series 2008. 2008. So, ito yung mahirap dito. Kasi, highly discouraged siya. So, club membership. Ang club membership, yan, wala talagang bayad yun. Yung sports equipment kasi, sino yung bibili? Uniforms, sino yung bibili? Kung sa MOA naman, pwede naman siguro. Ano po? Pero kung mas maganda, kung tutulungan ng parents. Kaso nga, medyo binabatikos na yung PTA natin ngayon. So, kung wala naman talagang support ng stakeholders, hindi na parang pila ito eh. Ano po, hindi naman pwedeng school lang. So, kayo na po ang bahala sa school nyo. Ayan, gusto nyo po makita ang buong detalye ng ating institutionalization of sports club. Yan. Magiging na siya talaga, hindi lang yung basta sports club, magiging isa na talaga siyang institutionalized club ng ating pong school. Hindi na siya pwedeng basta-basta tanggalin pag meron ka na nito. So, institutional club na siya. So, napagandang programa nito kasi talaga kung gusto ng bata ng sports, supported by the school and the parents and other stakeholders, yun, pwede natin mapa-onlad yung bata pagdating sa sports. Yan lamang po, maraming salamat.